We ordered a kit, it's called a cigpen, and it goes in the door panel. And if we go around here and look, on these original door panels, you had an ashtray right here. So these, what they tell me, these are aftermarket door panels, so we don't have the ashtray. So what we have to do is take the door panel off, and then we have a little template, and we're gonna draw that out, and then we will cut that out with a Dremel, and we will put our cigpen kits right in there. You will have a couple of slots for a pencil, and it was designed for the third slot was a little bit bigger for a mag light.
Nice. Okay, these right here on the end, all around the outside of the panel, we'll need a dandelion puller, and those little clips are probably going to break, but
I haven't seen one that didn't.
Right, me either. Yep, I'll go get a flathead. Get this good snap-on flathead that he was using for a punch earlier. These are expensive punches.
Don't tell the snap-on guy.
Right. I'm not sure how those work, but
Well, I'm not either. I can see the screw behind
yeah,
there.
it's got to be a screw. But those have to be covers, have to pop off of there. There we go.
Just like that, you just got to get right on the skin of it. This one, the screw's going to likely pop out.
There we go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Guess we could put this. Oh wow, look at that.
They're metal.
Yeah, they knew how to build clips back in 1971, turns out. And there's going to be clips all the way around this panel. I don't know how many are in the front, but probably several.
Just that one and this front one's missing.
Alright, now I would think that that panel would have to slide up. Because it's probably
Yep, goes right over that lip.
in those little holders there.
Yep.
It's kind of cool. Well, there's one.
Ain't much between you and Mother Nature.
No, it looks like a door skin on a derby car. Hopefully we don't never use it as a derby car. We'll do the same thing on the other side. All right, we're back at the shop here. We're gonna cut some holes in these panels, and they send with a stencil that kind of helps you gauge the hole, and they go right in the top of this panel, but the stencil doesn't want to fit in there very good. So we're going to see how much stencil hangs over for our spacing, and we got a lot hanging over. So we're gonna mark it and cut that stencil down so it'll fit up against our panel a little better. Get a sharp line on there. All right. Should work. Good show. Take that back over here, do some tracing. Cut it out with the Dremel tool that we did not get out. So we'll have to go get the Dremel tool out here after we get this traced. Let me get this down. Love it.
Yep, I think we pretty much get the gist
Beautiful.
of it.
That's just inside that edge, so should be good. Now we need to trace out that other panel. That one's all smashed in. What's up with that?
Probably heat. Good?
Yep.
Perfect.
Just try to push that out, huh? I think it was probably my big old knee is probably what hit that.
Seems about right.
Alright, well we'll get the Dremel set up and get back here. Alright, let's give this a whirl. We don't know if this Dremel bit's gonna work great, but it's worth a shot.
Probably being a little conservative, but I'd rather have a nice snug fit.
Right.
Just like that.
And it says to drill a 9/64 hole.
Center right there.
Down about a quarter, yeah. Quarter strong. Looks good. Looks good. Nail it. One drill. Hold that in there somehow. You got that. Here's a screw. Get you a Phillips bit. Sweet. One down. One to go.
That's going to be handy when you're doing those cross countries to be able to have your stuff right there.
Absolutely. Well, that's how you install it. All right, let's put these panels back on here. Hopefully they'll fit better or go on there and not break all to pieces because they're pretty old and pretty brittle.
Okay, just slides right down over those two lips right up on this side and this side.
All right, we got the panels back on. Sig pins are installed, and gonna hold ink pen perfect. Couple pencils right here. There's one on the other side too, obviously. So cross countries, very handy. Gonna have a pencil, very, very accessible. So those were easy to install. They weren't very expensive.
Nope, not very expensive at all. And I found them
Well worth it.
I think it was that Spruce aircraft site. Look them up online, you'll find them out there. I don't remember what the price was, but pretty inexpensive.
Yeah, great addition to the airplane.
Well worth it.